Hi, I'm Sugatha Menon, and today I'm going to show you a fish curry that's a speciality of North Kerala. Generally they say fish and dairy products don't go together, but not so in North Kerala. Their fish curry is made in dahi and it tastes yum. Here's how it's made. I've taken pomfret, you can take any fish you want, and I've added turmeric, red chilli powder, 2 slit green chillies, and about 7-8 juliennes of ginger. This was marinated for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to show you how this is made. First, take the marinated pieces of fish and put it for boiling. Add a little bit of water and let it cook. This fish curry is the best with steamed rice. That's it. You don't need anything else. I love it. My grandmom used to make it so well. I hope I can replicate some of the taste. So we let the fish cook a bit. Meanwhile, what I'm going to do is, now this forms the base of the curry. I'm going to take freshly grated coconut, dahi. Dahi has to be sour. Only then you get the real taste. So I'm adding freshly grated coconut, dahi which is khatta. You need sour dahi for this. Some people even add fresh green mangoes for that added tanginess. And the spice that goes into this is jeera. As you can see, there is no specific measurement. Indian cooking is all about andaz. Grinding this to a fine paste is the most important thing in this curry. In the old days, the women used to grind it on the stones. That taste was something else. So the coconut and the yogurt has been ground to a fine paste, and I'm going to add this to the fish, which is almost cooked. You can prepare this curry with any fish, either mackerel or sardine or ravas, any of the fish. That's the beauty of this curry. You bring this gravy to a boil. Be careful when you're handling the fish, you don't want the pieces to break. Add a little bit of salt. You can add the salt in the coconut mixture as well when you're grinding it. Let it cook. While this is getting ready, I shall prepare the tadka. So here's coconut oil. Coconut oil adds that extra authentic flavor. Mustard seeds, a pinch of fenugreek seeds, that's methi seeds, red chilli, and curry leaves. Now ready to be added. And the fish curry is ready. And I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. Smells great, yet to taste it. So here's the authentic North Kerala fish curry. I'm sure you will hit like. So do hit like, share the recipe, and do subscribe to our channel for more such interesting recipes. Thank you. See ya.